In this video, we are going to see how we can disable the address bar drop-down list suggestions. So this means whenever we start writing something, let's say we write edge flags or something like this, it shows the suggestions or the sites we recently accessed in the drop-down list suggestions, and that might be very annoying, especially if you're presenting anything and you want to keep your activity private. Here's how you can totally disable that. First of all, just click on this 3 dots on the right hand corner and head over to the settings. And from here, we will select privacy, search and services on the left hand side. And from here, we click on search and connected experiences and select address bar and search. And here we have the search suggestions and filters. And you can see this option, show search and site suggestions using your typed characters. So we want to disable that. We want to disable the other suggestions and filters as well. It's up to you, whatever you want to disable. And let me just close the browser and let's try to search anything. And now you can see that it is not showing any single suggestion for any website that we have recently accessed. And that is how it works. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.